Jesus was led away carrying his cross and went out to what is called the place of the skull. The people lined the way and jeered at him mockingly. To their minds he was now no more than a common criminal. Only some of the women of his company followed, in utter disbelief. Arriving at the place of the skull, they stripped him and nailed him to the cross. Pilate had an inscription placed above him which read, "Jesus the Nazarene, the King of the Jews."
Drive some nails in my hands, laugh at me when you stand. Go ahead and set his free. Today will come when you will see. 'Cause I'll rise again. There's no power on earth can tie me down. Yes, I'll rise again. That can't keep me around. Go ahead and mark my name. My love for you is still the same. Go ahead and bury me, but very soon I will be free. 'Cause I'll rise again. There's no power on earth can tie me down. Yes, I'll rise again. That can keep me around. Try to hide the sun that always sees that I'm the one. 'Cause I'm come again. There's no power on earth that keep me back. Yes, I'll come. to take my people down. Behold thy son. Son, behold thy mother.
Jesus never knew pain like he felt on that cross. He felt so alone. Yet he was not alone in his suffering. At the foot of the cross stood his mother, faithfully beside him, even until the end.
Lord, suffer time.
Listen, he's calling on Elijah.
Now let's see if Elijah comes to take him down.
Father, into thy hands